Hello friends, subscribe my channel IDP examination based question provided by my channel. Today I am discuss about the top 5 IELTS grammar mistakes. Let's start. Rule number 5. Past simple present perfect. Now understand how can write the past simple or present perfect. First of all, read this statement. Over the last 20 years, number of students studying at the university to be increased significantly. 20 years ago, fewer high school graduates to study at university. When you use the present perfect, you use has, have, and verb की third form. Verb is the form of third. Now look at over the last 20 years, the number of students studying at university has significantly increased. It is called present perfect. Whereas the past simple. Past simple, 20 years ago, fewer high school graduates went on to the study at the university. You know, the past simple use the verb second form of verb. So, always understand about the tense rule, then you correct your statement. Okay, see your next mistake in your writing. When anything to talk about the thing past to present, it is called present perfect. And when you talk about only your just did things, it is called past. So how can write this? I have lived in the London for over 8 years. Mean I am live here at the present time. So that. Or how can you use the past simple? I moved to the UK to pursue my master degree in 2011. Present perfect. Today, this week, this year, in the last 3 months, in the last 2 years, recently, since 2010, since last atom. Whereas the past simple use yesterday, last week, last month, in the 2010, from 2010 to 15. Okay. Now, your fourth mistake, conditional. If the climate change will continue, some country will disappear. This sentence is wrong. You can write this way. If the climate change continues, some countries will disappear. First sentence is simple, then future, and all both sentence not future. This is a big mistake. You have another example. If the climate change, some country will disappear. If present simple, future simple. First of all, some country will disappear. If climate change continues. If always use with the simple sentence, never use in the future. Otherwise, you got your wrong score. So that be careful for this mistake. Now, see another example. If the sea level continues to rise, flood might become more common. If simple present, will, should, could, can, could, may, might, then plus the verb. Okay. Conditional imagining a situation in the present or future. If you won a lottery, what would you do? If past simple, you should use should, would, might, could plus verb the form. Okay. Conditional imagination a situation in the present or future. If you won a lottery, what would you do? If the diesel car were banned from the city center, improved in air quality could be immediate. Here, past simple car were banned from the city center, comma, improved in air condition could be. Now, your third mistake subject verb agreement. The company rents an office. The company doesn't rent an office. The company rent the office. There are four companies. Football and basketball are two most popular sports in the world. There are two possible solutions. Both have benefits and drawbacks. Compare the each. Here, subject plus verb. There are number of the video updated in my video channel YouTube where I describe about the have or has form of verb. Now look at some, all, any, most, a lot. All students have passed their exam. All snow has melted. Number third is subject verb agreement problem. Now number second is word order. To be, to have, to do, auxiliary verb. Technology has changed our lives. How has technology changed our lives? Can you tell me how technology has reshaped your life? It is hard to describe how much technology has reshaped the way we live. Always your verb use after the subject. Never confuse this word order because it is also decrease your score from your exam. Now, next, number of students have not understand about the articles so that their score have reduced. So, articles where is an and a use and used when the vowels